So guys, now we are at our workshop, and what you are seeing is now is 2x4 tail line is going on. So this is our factory. We prepare this. So this is the lady's patch. He's preparing. One hair knotting has been doing. This is hair topper. This is also hair topper. This is one more hair topper. This is ladies' wig. This is also ladies' wig. This one is also ladies' wig. One hair has been knotted. This is all manually we are doing this one. This one also one hair has been knotted. So guys, so we prepare this all wigs here itself at our office. %100% natural human hair we use to prepare these wigs, and this is all at our office. We only prepare for our product, our clients who give orders. So for any calls, any inquiries, do call us, and kindly like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.